So, welcome to our vlog. So, we decided na gagawa kami ng video about our life. Kasi, aspiring mo si Ethan, gusto niya mag-make ng videos. Marami siyang video clips sa phone.
Guys,
What?
pwede kayo mag-subscribe
Subscribe.
pagkatapos nito.
Bakit? Kasi gawin mo tong work.
Hindi.
Ano naman? Why?
Kasi matulog ako ngayon, guys.
Matulog ka ngayon. So, tingnan mo kung mag-subscribe sila tomorrow. Check natin. Okay.
Pag hindi, susumbagin ko kayo.
Okay,
So,
bye.
sumbong ko kayo sa pulis.
Sige na, okay. Bye-bye na. Matulog ka na.
Bye
Yun
na.
lang. Bye, guys! A night in the life of a work-from-home mom with a 5-year-old son. Char. Anyway, hi guys. My name is Gypsy and I am a work-from-home mom. I decided to make this video because I wanted to inspire those people who's been struggling in life and don't know what to do with their lives or where to start or how to surpass the challenges na gina-face nila ngayon. So, yes, I'm a solo parent since Ethan was 8 months old. And then by then, I started working as a call center representative. So working at home is like a dream come true to me. Kasi ever since, I always prayed for it na ala unta someday makatrabaho ko sa balay so that I could take care of Ethan. Kasi being a working mom, it was really hard, especially if nakakay toddler. Kasi they will cry, kanang pag muhawa na ka, mulakaw na ka for work, and then you don't know what will gonna happen. If they're sick, you cannot be with them, you cannot take care of them, and you cannot watch them. Jud. And I'm really glad because during those times, I had my family and a stranger from God who helped me get through those hard times in my life. And, you know, I couldn't really imagine how I made it here, but I know that it was all Heavenly Father who made me do it. Kasi even back then I was very prayerful. I always communicate with Him. I always seek Him sa aking life, especially those dark moments sa life ko, even though there was a time na na-question ko why everything happened to me the way it did, or why these people hurt me, or why do I need to experience this kind of things. And I just realized that it was because of my decisions. It was the consequences of my choices. And that's when I realized that God is still good, because despite me being imperfect, despite me being foolish, making foolish decisions sa aking life, He was still there, extending His help to me with kanang in a way good na we didn't really recognize ba, kay we meet people jud by purpose, not by accident, because I met a lot of good people sa life ko along the way who helped me take care of Ethan, who helped me become the better version of myself, and helped me to smile, to laugh, and just appreciate the beauty of life. So I guess if you are in a very dark situation of your life right now, I think what you can do is really pray and work your relationship with our Father in heaven, because I know that He knows each one of us. He knows the desires of our heart. He knows our situation and even our heartaches. And I know that what He wants for everyone, for His children, is to be happy and to gain happiness in this life. You know, if I gave up my life because it was difficult 5 years or 4 years ago, I wouldn't be this happy right now. I wouldn't experience these blessings that I have right now. And if you are in the same situation, in a dark situation, I hope na you will overcome it. And of course, don't forget na God is there for you. He loves you and is mindful of you. And just lumapit ka lang sa Kanya and He will direct your life for good. And I know that He is great. He is our great God and He loves each one of us. Tinulungan niya nga ako, ikaw pa kaya. So just hang in there and welcome to our vlog. And until our next video. Okay, sorry sa makulit na bata. Okay.